Hello and welcome back to the video lectures on AutoCAD. Till now we have studied absolute coordinate system, and by using this absolute coordinate system we have calculated the coordinates of a given object, and even we have plotted the object in the AutoCAD. Next we are going to study a relative coordinate system. By using relative coordinate system we are going to calculate the coordinates of a given object, and we are going to plot the same object in AutoCAD. Before starting with the relative coordinate system, let us understand coordinate system first. So I have drawn the coordinate system in front of you. There is a x-axis, y-axis, and this is the origin. This side is called as a first quadrant, this side is called as a second quadrant, this side is called as a third quadrant, and this side is called as a fourth quadrant. If we take any point in the first quadrant and calculate the coordinate of that point, x coordinate and y coordinate, both these coordinates are positive. Let us take an example. Let us calculate the coordinates of this point. So for this point, x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 2. So from this example you can understand that both the coordinates, that is x coordinate and y coordinates, are positive in the first quadrant. In the similar way, if we take an example of any point in the second quadrant, let us take a point in the second quadrant and calculate the coordinates of this point. The x coordinate of this point is -3 and y coordinate is 2. So from this you can understand, in the second quadrant x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. So x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive in the second quadrant. If we take example in the third quadrant, let us consider this point and calculate the coordinates of this point. So the x coordinate for this point is -2 and y coordinate is also -2. That means when we calculate the coordinates of any point in the third quadrant, x coordinate and y coordinate, both of these coordinates are negative. In the similar way, if we consider any point in the fourth quadrant and calculate the coordinates of this point, then you can see, so this is a point that I have considered. The x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is a -2. X coordinate in the fourth quadrant is always positive and y coordinate in the fourth quadrant is always negative. So x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative in the fourth quadrant. Taking this concept into consideration, we are going to calculate coordinates of these points using the relative coordinate system. Let us consider point A as an initial point to draw this object. In the relative coordinate system, coordinates of initial point are calculated with respect to the actual origin. So the coordinates of point A will become x coordinate 2 and y coordinate 1. After this, we have to calculate coordinates of a point B. While calculating the coordinates of a point B in relative coordinate system, we have to consider earlier point as an reference origin, then calculate the coordinates of a point B. So now A will become the reference origin for the point B. The coordinates of a point B will become, so the x coordinate will be 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit and 4 unit. So taking consideration as an initial point, as a reference origin for this point B, x coordinate of B will be 4 unit. So write down 4. Then we have to calculate the y coordinate of a B with respect to this reference origin. So as this point lies on the x axis of this A origin, there will not be any y coordinate. So y coordinate is 0 for this point B. because we have calculated the coordinates of point B relative to the A. When we calculate the coordinates relative to the earlier point, then we must put @ symbol so that anyone can understand that these points are calculated with reference to the earlier point A. Now we are going to calculate the coordinate for the point C. Now to calculate the coordinate for point C, this B point will become the reference origin. This B point will become the reference origin, and considering this B point as a reference origin, now we have to calculate the coordinates of a point C. As we are considering B as an origin, this point C lies in the second quadrant with respect to this B origin, like this, in the second quadrant. So both the coordinates, so x coordinate of this C will be negative and y coordinate will be positive, as I have explained earlier. X coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive in the second quadrant, as we are considering this B as an origin. So with respect to this origin, x coordinate of point C are 1 unit and 2 unit on the left hand side. So the x coordinate is -2 and y coordinate is also 2, 1 and 2. Okay, 1, 2. So write down 2, and don't forget to put @ symbol before this C, because we have calculated the coordinates of this point C with respect to B, not with respect to this origin. Now we have to calculate the coordinate of a point D, and to calculate the coordinate of a point D, let us consider C as an reference origin. Now the C is reference origin for this point D, and this point D is located on the y-axis of this C origin. So we have only y coordinate for this D with respect to C, and x coordinate will be 0. So x coordinate is 0, comma, y coordinate is 1, 2, 3. Write down 3 and put @ symbol. Next we are going to calculate the coordinates of a point E. Now to calculate the coordinate of a point E, we must consider point D as an reference origin and then calculate the coordinates of a point E. Considering this point D as a reference origin, if we see this point E is located on the left hand side of the x-axis by the 2 units, or displaced by the 2 units. So x coordinates will be -2, as it is located on the left side, -2, and y coordinates are 0 with respect to this origin. So write down 0 and place @ symbol before the coordinates. Next, to draw this line in the AutoCAD, we must again calculate the coordinates of point A with respect to this E. Okay, let us now consider this point E as an origin and calculate the coordinates of a point A. When we consider this point as an origin, this point A is located on y-axis, negative y-axis. So the y coordinates of this point A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5, because it is located on the negative y-axis with respect to this point E as an origin. So -5 will be the y coordinates, and as this point A is located on the y-axis of this origin E, there will not be any x coordinates. So 0, write down 0 as an x coordinate and put @ symbol before the coordinates of A. So in this way we have calculated coordinates of this given object by using the relative coordinate system.